Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Junior Blocks series. I'm Jennifer, your friend. Let's have a quick recap of the last video. In the previous video, we learnt about backdrops and used the paint feature to edit them. We also had a DIY activity to select jungle as a backdrop and add Jungle Book characters of your choice. Let's quickly see how it's done. So, go to the library and select jungle. As we saw in the last activity, to add sun, similarly we have to go to paint again and then click on add an object button. We will add a fox and a snake just for example. Place them as you like. Click on the back button to get back to the stage area to see changes. It completes our DIY activity. As part of our next activity towards creating the Catch the Fruit game, let me tell you a story. The story of a monkey named Maruti and the bear Toby. They were really good friends. One day, Toby could not find fruits to eat. So, he comes to Maruti, asking him if he can give him some bananas. And Maruti says, "Yes, but you need to catch them. Are you ready?" The hungry Toby says, "Yes." So kids, are you ready to code your first story game? In this video, we will learn about adding one more sprite and writing different actions for both of them. Let's start a new project. Select the new Junior Blocks project from the File menu. To add jungle backdrop, select jungle from the library. We already have Toby here. Now, let's add one more sprite. Click on this icon to add one more sprite with Toby. From the sprite library, we can add any kind of sprite like animals, people or other objects. Let's pick Hazel for now by clicking on Hazel. We can select the sprite from here for which we want to code action for. Let's select Toby first, add green flag from the events palette, add left and right motion blocks, then say hello to Hazel with the say block. As we've seen before, you can add the say block from the looks category blocks and type hi Hazel. Now select Hazel. Here we do not see any code or action for Hazel as of now. Add a green flag to start the code. It will also be useful in moving both the sprites together. We also want Hazel to say hi back to Toby. First, add downward motion block with 4 steps to go to Toby. Now, add say block and type hello Toby. Now that we have written code for both Toby and Hazel, click on green flag to play the story. Look at that! They are talking to each other now. This concept will help you a lot while creating our Catch the Fruit game. Time for the DIY activity. In this video, we learnt about communication between two sprites and their movements. So, for the DIY activity, you have to replace Hazel with a monkey, that is Maruti, and add one more sprite, that is bananas. After this, add animations to bananas to make them fall. Ready to make it? We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!